Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a webhook on Discord. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a new browser, and you can do this on the desktop app if you have that downloaded. If you are using a mobile device, make sure to do this through the actual internet browser, because the Discord app on from like the Play Store or iTunes, currently it's not got the facility to create a webhook. It does need to be done on the actual web-based application. So what we're going to do is come across to discord.com. And it's actually fairly simple to do this. All you need to do is log into your account. And then what you want to do is come across to your server that you want to set up a webhook for. So the webhook as well, it can do things like you can send embedded messages, you can use it to post, for example, there's quite a few things you can do. You can link it so every time you post up a new YouTube video, it gets posted in your Discord server. There's quite a few things, but you can go onto Google and see all the different things you can do. But to set one up, all you need to do is click onto your drop down box at the top and come down to server settings. And then from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is find the one which says integrations, which is just here. Go ahead and give that a click, and this is where you can create your webhooks from. So what you would do is click the blue create webhook button. And then what you can do from here is actually change the name of the webhook to whatever you wish. So example, and you can go ahead and select a kind of avatar profile picture in here. So I'm just gonna do any one of these just as an example. Obviously crop the picture. And you can also choose the channel to start posting this for, like embedded messages or YouTube videos, etc, etc. And once that's all done, all you need to do is come down and hit this Save Changes button, and that's going to go ahead and create your webhook. So yeah, if you go to google.com and just do a Google search, that will show you all the things you can do. Or you can come across to discohook.org, and this is basically a tool which allows you to do like embedded messages and things like this. So it gives you all the information down here on the right hand side of how to do that as well. But yeah, that's basically how you go about creating a webhook. I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.